Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Buzz app so that you can start sending instant traffic to your funnel, to your website, to your offer, or to your affiliate link. Alright, okay, so this is a login page, and what you need to do here is to enter your email address and your password, and then you can start using Buzz immediately. Okay, so we are in. Immediately you log in, this is what you are going to see. So from this member area, you will be able to see all the cool features that will enable you to leverage the awesomeness of the Buzz app. Okay, so right here we have compose. So this is where you create content that is going to go to your social media that you can use to suck traffic across your social channel. And then we have report here that shows you how your posts are performing across the various social channels you connected to your account. And then here you can find inspiration using our post template system, and then you can do simple graphic design you can use to build engagement with your content. And then here you can draft your ideas just in case you're not ready to start publishing, and then we'll have automation bot for Instagram that you can use to auto follow people or auto unfollow people, or to do auto comment and all the rest of them. And they will have Buzz schedule here where you can schedule week post or month-long post, or even a post that could run all through the year. And then we'll have this cool feature that allows you to auto publish content from your website across the social channels. And then we also have the file manager that can allow you to keep and save media files that you can reuse every other time. And then we'll have this group manager which you can use to aggregate several accounts together, and when you want to post, you post to all those accounts at a time. Okay, so let's get on to it now. So the first thing we need to do is to connect our social accounts, because Buzz app leverages your social media channels. All right, so the first thing we need to do now is to connect these accounts where we're going to be making these automatic posts. Okay, so to do that we need to go here and click on accounts. So you have 9 social media channels you can use to start sending instant traffic to your funnels or to your websites. Alright, so we have Instagram here, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, Reddit, Tumblr, VK, and LinkedIn. Actually, adding your account here is very simple. Of course, I'm going to be showing you that now. So the way it works is like this. So you need to click on this toggle button, and then this screen will come up that will prompt you to add your account. So you simply click on it. Then for Instagram, you just add your Instagram username, then with the password. Just I think I need to try again. Okay, so that's just that my Instagram account has been added. So let me go and connect another account, say Twitter, and then just the same process too. So I will need to log into my Twitter account here and then authorize Buzz app to authenticate it, and then authorize. Okay, my Twitter account is added now. So let me also connect another account. Let me connect Telegram. Account. Okay, this is how Telegram works. You need to create a bot. So this bot is what we'll be posting in your channel or in your group. So I actually have a bot and a group, and then I've also added it to my group. So what I need to do is to get the API key of the bot I created, which is this one, and then I'll come right here and paste it and then connect it. So it is added. I've connected my Telegram. Okay, so let me also connect LinkedIn. Okay, so I'll need to log into my LinkedIn account and then sign in and authorize BuzzUp. Okay, that's just that. So this is how all of them works. Every other one that is there is just the same process. You click, you authorize, and then your account is connected. So now after connecting your account, you can connect as many accounts as you want. You can add more than one Instagram account. You can add tens of them or even hundreds of them, as much as you want. So now we're done. So we just quickly need to go back here to compose and then start adding content that will start feeding our social channels. So right here, there are three kinds of posts you can make through BuzzUp. So you can either post a media, or you can post a link, or you can just throw in a text-based content. So, but whichever one you want to do, you also have to decide the platform is going to. For instance, text content doesn't go to Instagram. So if you are posting anything text, it could go to any other network apart from Instagram, which allows only images, and then YouTube, which allows only videos. So but every other social channel, this kind of content can go in there. So if you want to do media can go to any other place, that is Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, anywhere apart from YouTube, which is strictly for videos. Now, so for us to actually try this now, so we've selected media, and then we need to upload an image that we want to share across. So I'll quickly go and pick one image that we can try. So like this one, for instance. So I can easily pick up this one. So this particular image has been added. Now time to post it. So we need to select it, and then you'll be able to see the preview, what is going to look like when you post it. And then you come over right here and select the channels where you want to post this particular image to. So since it is an image file, so I can quickly select this one. I can also do Twitter, I can do Telegram, and then of course LinkedIn, and then click on continue. So if I have more accounts here, I can add all of them there, and then I can add any accompanying text, maybe hello world, and then I can post now. Okay, so that's just that. So even if I don't want to post now, probably I want to post it in tomorrow, so I can easily schedule it by checking here and then select when I want the post to actually appear, or the frequency that I want this particular something to be repeating. Check out my Instagram handle and check out for what we just posted now. So you can see it is showing in my Instagram handle. And if you look at my LinkedIn, let me reload it. So it's showing in my LinkedIn, and of course it posted on my Telegram. So that's just how BuzzUp works. Everything is 100% automated. So when you connect your social media account like this, so you can start scheduling or start posting instantly and start leveraging the power of BuzzUp to send almost instant traffic to your websites or to your funnel or to your offer. So that's just simply how to use BuzzUp. Thank you.